Hello everyone, today we are going to show you this beautiful home situated in the neighborhood of Sunset Lakes. Welcome to 1444 Water's Edge Way.
This beautiful home has 6 beds, 5 baths. It's sitting on half an acre with approximately 3,500 square feet of livable space. Not to mention that you have views of the water from the front and the back of the home. It's close to schools, parks, and tons of amenities. Follow us and let's check it out.
I'm Dee.
And I'm Ali, and we're with Royal Pasture Realty on the Vertex team.
Call us to book your viewing today.